So here's the trade that I took yesterday. I have an 80% win rate over the last year or so and 100k of payouts. And I only trade the 5 minute and I only take longs, and these are my rules. And I'm going to explain my strategy to you and the trade that I took yesterday. So all I ever do is, these are my rules here, right? So I just wait for a sweep of sell side and then I target buy side. I only trade the 5 minute, I only take longs like I said. And right now, as you can see, this was a great example from yesterday of what I take. So these are my rules. I was looking for, obviously we opened up here with the pump, we came down, we swept some liquidity, we came down and swept this this liquidity here, and then we bounced out of this last 5 minute gap in the leg. You can see we've come down and swept through a few levels of liquidity here, as well as the 930 wick, which isn't always a good area to go and sweep. So we've swept liquidity on the sell side, and then I'm looking to take longs back to the upside. We've got some really obvious liquidity up here. You can see we came up here and almost hit this buy side, but we didn't quite hit it. Left all these wicks up here, which were a really good target for buy side liquidity. And then it's as simple as you like. We sweep liquidity, we get a nice 3 candle pattern V shape with an inverted fair value gap here, as you can see. Let me walk you through this really quickly and easily. So we come down, we sweep sell side, we've swept all these sell sides here, we get a bullish reaction. You can see we've created this fair value gap on the 5 minute where we come back up, we close above it. Really nice. So we've got the 3 candle pattern V shape on the 5 minute. This fair value gap here, 3 candle pattern, and then the V shape closing above it in the next candle. Really good candle. Very nice look to this trade when I took it in live time last night. And then all I do when I enter a trade is I'll enter once we inverse like this and target 1R. As you can see here, my stop loss is a manual close somewhere in the region between the low and the gap here. And then all I do is I target 1R, and once we hit that, I'll scale half and go break even, and then I'll target the buy side. And that's all I do. I do this every single day, all the time. 3 candle pattern V shapes on the 5 minute are the best reversal that I've seen in the market, in my opinion, in my experience. So as you can see, this is how the trade played out. Let me just put this on rewind mode so you can see it in live time. So this is what happened. We go from here. So I see that we sweep all this sell side out. I'm thinking, okay, we'll probably get a bounce soon. I'm actually thinking we're probably going to go for these lows, but then we get this really good candle. Look at that. We sweep the sell side, bounce out of the last gap in the leg on the 5 minute. Lovely 3 candle pattern V shape on the 5 minute. So I enter here, and I'm risking about $200 per trade, which is about 2 contracts here, as you can see. So I take this with about 2 micros, and then basically I'm just waiting to see what happens next. We go up, we very nearly hit 1R, which we don't hit. We come back down, we test the gap again. Like I said, I have a manual stop, and we never close back below the gap, so I don't stop out. And then we come back up, hit my 1R here. Start to get some momentum towards this liquidity, so I scale half here at about what we're looking at here, $100, $150. And then I'm just basically holding the other micro up to these highs. And then we go, wham, pretty much go up straight away and hit that over the course of the evening, as you can see. Really great trade. Really good stuff. You can see this went for about, what is this, almost 6R. So in reality, what we're looking at, one micro. It's about 3R on that. So about $400 profit on my accounts. I copy traded this with 30 accounts, which is what I copy trade. I copy trade all my accounts and risk $200 on them usually. Sometimes I partition them up into smaller amounts depending on how much I want to risk. But you can see this was a good trade. 3 candle pattern V shape, bouncing out of this last 5 minute gap. Some sweeps of liquidity. Obvious buy side liquidity above. I thought this trade was really good. As you can see, we came down, took a while to play out, but then we did come back up, hit the buy side. $400 profit on all my accounts. Happy days. And we move on to the next one. That was how I traded my trade yesterday. As always, if you do want to get more alerts and signals for my trades, you can get them in the description below. Join the premium Discord, the free Discord for giveaways, and like and subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll catch you in the next video. Take care.